Hello, welcome to ABC in Zambian languages. Today you will learn about modes of transport in Tonga. Are you ready? Modes of transport.
Imiendelo.
Car.
Mota.
Sheep.
Wato wupati.
Train.
Jitima.
Boat.
Wato.
Bus.
Basi.
Bicycle.
Nchinga.
Motorcycle.
Mudududu.
Aeroplane.
Ndege.
Ox cart.
Jigoji.
You just learnt about modes of transport in Tonga. Let's keep learning together. Don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, ABC in Zambian languages. Goodbye.